Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LifeLock identity monitoring to secure your info, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LifeLock website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required personal information including your name and address. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Review the terms and conditions, then accept them to proceed. Select the identity monitoring plan that best fits your needs. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Once your account is set up, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access various monitoring features. To connect your accounts, look for the Add Account option. Follow the prompts to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other personal information. LifeLock may require additional verification for security. Once all accounts are connected, review your settings for notifications. Enable alerts to receive updates on any suspicious activity. Go to the security settings to review identity theft protection options. Familiarize yourself with the tools available for fraud alerts and credit monitoring. Ensure your contact information is up to date for alerts and notifications. It's essential to regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Check in with your LifeLock dashboard frequently for updates. Consider setting reminders to review your identity security status. By following these steps, you have successfully connected LifeLock identity monitoring to help secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.